Look at that one. Look at that. Wow. Holy smokes. Over there. Look at that. Yummy. That one. It's a nice red one. More tomatoes. More tomatoes. This tree never buds for me. More blueberries. My marigolds going crazy. Looky, look. I didn't even plant. This one I got tomatoes and strawberries. It looks like those are the little ones, maybe peppers. And the little trees I got growing. More tomatoes. More tomatoes. Little tree I got growing. Ficus, I think it is. Tomatoes. This I think is a maple tree, maybe. Anyways. Not bad for not planting anything. Got a little onion going there. Oh, looks like a little marigold. Popped up there out of the blue. And then, I don't know what these are. What are those? And there's a marigold in there. Look at these potatoes that popped up. I just threw them out there. I didn't even plant them. Eh? More tomatoes. Got a little bit of everything in here. From egg rolls to hell if I know. This looks like a pepper. And then this tomato started growing there. Another tomato, marigolds. Ooh, some onions in there. Look at those onions. Wow. And this thing, I don't know what that is. Marigolds like crazy. These potatoes have popped up on the side down there. And my grape. And this I transplanted. I'm not sure what it is. Found it in the yard. Looks like a pepper maybe. My chickies. Chickie, 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 mama. I think that rooster's pretty, don't you? Look how pretty he is.